Hey there, social explorers. Ever wondered how sociologists turn people's behavior into numbers, charts, and graphs? Yup, we're talking quantitative methods in sociology. Sounds scary? Don't worry, we're about to make it super easy, fun, and totally not boring. Let's go. So what exactly is the quantitative method? It's basically when sociologists use numbers and statistics to understand how society works. It's about collecting data that can be measured, counted, and compared. Think surveys, polls, and census reports, not just hunches and guesses. Here's how it usually goes. Step 1. Sociologists start with a question, like, do teenagers who use social media a lot feel lonelier? Step 2. They create a survey with multiple choice questions. They collect a bunch of responses from 100, 1,000, or even millions of people. Step 4. Then they crunch the numbers using statistics to find patterns. Boom. That's quantitative research. Quantitative data can come in many shapes and sizes. For example, percentages. 78% of people prefer coffee over tea. Averages. The average age of gamers is 34. Frequencies. How often people vote, eat out, or pray. The beauty of this? These numbers help us compare, predict, and understand how people live their daily lives and behave. Quantitative methods aren't just rich surveys. They can also include experiments. Let me explain. Let's say you want to see if group study helps students get better grades. What you would do, it splits students into two groups. Group A studies alone. Group B studies together. Then, you would compare their test scores. If Group B scores higher, you might just be onto something. So, why do sociologists love quantitative methods? First of all, it's objective. Numbers don't lie, although the way one interprets statistics can be manipulated. It's reliable. If you repeat it as is, you should get similar results. It's generalizable, meaning you can apply findings to bigger groups because the sample group is representative. But hold up, the method is not perfect. Think about this. Numbers can't always explain why something happens. Also, people might not answer truthfully on surveys. Yeah, we see you. And what about emotions, opinions, and social meanings? Those can get lost in the math. So what's the solution? That's why sociologists often combine quantitative and qualitative methods. The numbers show the big picture, and interviews or observations help dig deeper into the why and how. Check out my video, The Qualitative Method, for more information. And that's the lowdown on the quantitative method in sociology. It's all about using numbers to make sense of the social world. Next time you see a poll or graph, you'll know there's a sociologist's brain behind it. Like, comment, and subscribe if you learned something cool. And let us know in the comments. Do you prefer numbers, stories, or both?